day, sir. So we are the Group 5 and we're going to present to you our project plan. So the name of our project is Early Childhood and Adolescence Reading Enhancement Program. So this enhancement program directly aims to help children ages 7 to 12 to hasten their reading and comprehension skills. So the beneficiaries of this project plan are the children ages from 7 to 12 years old. So our target is to help children strengthen their pronunciation skills of the mother tongue language and English as the second language. Second, to help children develop the knowledge, skills, and experience to become competent and enthusiastic readers. Third, to help children raise their reading comprehension level. Fourth, to activate and reinforce other skills such as grammar, vocabulary, and writing. And lastly, to help children develop their imagination and love of stories. So, the quantity of our success indicators is 80%. So, the target date of this project plan is every Saturday starting on December 4, 2021 until January 15, 2022. And our target venue is in Barangay Banigan, Badian, Cebu. So, the persons involved in this project plan are we organizers, the children, and of course the parents and guardians of the children. The resources that we are going to use are the reading materials, audiovisuals, chairs, tables, paper, and pencils. So the possible accomplishment of this project plan is 80 to 90%.
For the timetable of our project plan, it consists of indicators day 1, week 1 until day 5 or week 5 activity. In the day 1 activity is that roll a dice that is related to target 1, day 2, story sequencing for target 2. Day 3, figure what is important for target 3. Day 4, pick me up for target 4. And for the day 5, tell collaborative stories that is related to target 5. The lead in this day 1 to day 5 activity are we, the organizers in this project plan. Our coordinator is Mr. Alexis Ramirez and the counterpart is the LGU Ubadian. The date of this activity is to be held every Saturday started on December 4, 2021 up to January 15 to 2022. So lastly, for the indicator is that the expected accomplishment, which is from the day 1, the words will be pronounced correctly by the children. For day 2 and day 3, children become a competent and comprehensive reader. For day 4, it increases the children's grammar. And the last day, for day 5, students think creatively with their imagination skills.
For the process and procedures, first we have to assemble the team, organize and plan the content of the activity, prepare the budget plan and resources, select a location, create positive learning environment, acknowledge the differences of the children, impart mind-worthy praises, promote interaction, share moral lessons, and use effective learning approaches and principles. So for the program of the activities, we have the following sequence of the activity. First, we have the registration, the opening program, the doxology, the Philippine National Anthem, the opening number, welcome remarks, target, objectives and activities, and lastly is the culminating activity. All of this sequence of events will be headed by the event in charge, Ms. Genesel Cantilla, together with her constituents.
New literacies that arise from new technologies include things like text messaging, blogging, social networking, podcasting, and video making. These digital technologies alter the external communication abilities, often blending text, sound, and image. Although connected to older offline practices, these technologies change what it means to both read and write text. This rise of new literacies is necessary to wield these new technologies effectively, place new demands on all of us, not just on students who are all expected to move much more quickly to identify problems, for example, to know where to find information to help us address those problems often on our own, to evaluate and synthesize information from a number of sources in order to try to solve those problems, to communicate with others about problems and potential solutions, and to monitor the solutions we've found and stay up to date with new issues as they arise. So a multi-literate teacher understands the many ways the technology interacts and intertwines with academic and interpersonal life, and actively learns how to gain control over those aspects impacting teaching, social, and professional development. These strategies include managing, processing, and interpreting a constant influx of information, filtering what is useful, and then enhancing the learning environment with the most appropriate applications.
So when we say basic literacy, it entails applying the simple skills needed to comprehend brief text. So for example, reading a leaflet, using a TV guide, or even comparing ticket prices. Functional literacy, on the other hand, is the collection of skills that are required to read, to write, and do math in real life situations. Because we cannot have functioning communities, businesses, or even governments if we do not have individuals that have mathematical knowledge, reading and writing skills, and even analytical talents. Signing a document and putting a dollar amount in a deposit slip are just few examples. We can integrate the new literacies and functional literacy in the curriculum and in the classroom practice through using digital media, since they are very essential in the teaching and learning process. Through using digital medias, students will be able to acquire the necessary knowledge and skills that are needed in today's world. Students will not only learn how to read and write, but they will also become skilled and articulate in using modern technologies. They will become digitally competent individuals that are able to fully participate in the community and in the wider society.